Dart nights are getting more popular, and a board that looks fine on the wall can feel very different once the darts start flying. Picking the right one matters more than most people expect. This video is about the best dartboards. I break down top picks and match them across a few different categories, so it's easier to see what works for you. The links to all the boards are in the description. If you enjoy this kind of breakdown, like the video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you stay up to date. If questions come up, the comment section is there. Now let's move into the reviews. Winma Blade 6 Dual Core Dartboard. Best Steel Tip Dartboard. This pick leans into a classic feel with a clear focus on match play and clean scoring. It looks familiar on the wall, yet there are smart details here that change how throws land and stick. The playing surface uses high-quality sisal that keeps its shape over time and closes up after hits, which helps the board stay neat. The core uses a two-layer build, with a softer outer area for smoother entry and a firmer center that handles repeated impact. Thin angled wires around the scoring zones guide darts inward, so fewer shots kick out and more stay in play. The bull area is slimmer too, which opens up scoring space without changing the standard layout. Visibility is strong thanks to sharp contrast between sections, making targets easy to read under different lighting. Setup stays simple with an adjustable mounting system that lets you level things fast without extra tools. It meets official tournament specs and works best with steel-tip darts. Soft tips can be used, though that is not the sweet spot. You get one standard size round board in black, and the price lands in the mid-range, which fits the build and finish. Viper 800 Electronic Dartboard. Best electronic dartboard. This option shifts the focus from classic scoring to fast feedback and group play. It feels built for shared spaces where keeping score by hand would slow things down. I like how this one handles variety, with dozens of built-in games and hundreds of scoring options, so play does not feel repetitive. Everything shows up on a bright screen that stays readable from across the room, and scores update right away with no math needed. It supports big groups too, up to 16 players, which makes it easy to rotate friends in and out. The target face is regulation size, and the segment design grips soft-tip darts well once they land. Setup stays simple. A snap-in mount and included measuring tape help get it on the wall quickly, and there is a built-in catch ring to protect the wall from misses. Storage on the board keeps extra darts and tips close by. A laser throw line snaps on to mark the toe line, which saves floor space. There are a few trade-offs. The board runs on an AC adapter only. The included darts feel basic, and long-term durability gets mixed feedback. Pricing sits in the mid-range, which fits its feature set and family-friendly focus. East Point Cambridge Bristle Dartboard and Cabinet Set. Best steel-tip dartboard with cabinet. This pick brings furniture style into the setup, turning a dart area into something that feels finished. It fits well in spaces where you want the board hidden when the game is done. I like how this one combines a full-size bristle board with a cabinet that closes up clean. The playing surface uses sisal fibers that recover after hits, and the staple free center and thin spider help reduce bounce backs. Inside the cabinet, there are chalk scoreboards on the doors, dart holders, and room for quick score updates during games. Everything needed to get started comes in the box, from mounting hardware to chalk and steel tip darts. The cabinet itself adds weight and presence. It looks polished on the wall, open or closed, and works nicely in game rooms, bars, or shared spaces. Installation stays simple with the included template, though two people make the job easier due to the weight. There are a few downsides worth knowing. The included darts feel basic, and many players swap them out early. Some reports mention door hinges needing care over time. Pricing sits in the mid-range, which matches the all-in-one presentation and classic look. Guka's Electronic Dartboard with Wooden Door. Best electronic dartboard with cabinet. This one mixes a traditional cabinet look with a playful, high-energy style. It fits rooms where darts are part of the hangout, not just a quick game. What stands out here is how much is going on during play. There are 50 games with hundreds of variations, so groups do not get stuck repeating the same setup. Scores show clearly on the screen, and voice callouts announce hits, doubles, triples, and game modes. You can switch between 3 voice styles, including a heckler mode that throws out jokes and light trash talk, which adds pressure in a fun way. Color LED lights around the Cricket scoreboards flash on key shots, making it easier to follow the action without crowding the screen. The wooden doors close up when the game is over, giving it a clean look on the wall. Inside, you get 2 illuminated scoreboards and built-in storage for 12 darts. Support for up to 8 players works well for parties, with 4 scores shown at once. It runs on an AC adapter and includes soft-tip darts with plenty of extra tips. A couple of trade-offs are worth mentioning. The plastic surface feels more casual, and the lights and voices can feel busy in quieter rooms. This one falls into the lower mid-range and leans hard into fun. Grandboard 3S Electronic Dartboard, best dartboard for online play. This pick changes how dart nights work by pulling in players from way outside the room. It feels aimed at people who want competition without needing everyone in the same place. What really defines this board is the app-based experience. Scores, graphics, and game flow all live on your phone, tablet, or even a smart TV, and that opens the door to online matches with players from around the globe. There is no subscription needed, and new games keep showing up through free updates. Local play stays simple too, with space for multiple profiles and computer opponents at different skill levels. The board itself keeps things quiet, using sound dampening inside the segments, which helps in apartments or late-night games. The target area follows regulation soft tip sizing, and darts hold in place well across most of the board. It supports standard soft tips and comes in green or blue versions, mainly changing the look of the scoring rings. Mounting is straightforward with the included template. There are a few things to keep in mind. An external device is required for scoring, Bluetooth drops can happen, and LED lights need a separate power source. Viper Double Play Dartboard, best dartboard for beginners. This one keeps things simple and friendly, which is exactly what new players usually want. It focuses less on perfection and more on getting comfortable throwing darts and having fun. What makes this board beginner-friendly is the double-sided layout. One side sticks to the classic scoring setup, and the other switches things up with a baseball-style game that adds variety without learning a bunch of rules. The surface uses tightly packed paper fibers that are meant for steel-tipped darts, and the rounded wire layout helps guide darts into scoring areas instead of bouncing away. Setup is quick thanks to a pre-installed hanger, so it does not turn into a project. It comes with 2 sets of steel-tip darts and a guide that explains popular games, which helps new players jump in right away. The size stays compact and the weight is manageable, making it easy to hang in garages, game rooms, or casual spaces. There are some trade-offs. Long-term durability gets mixed feedback, and paint wear can show up with heavier play. Dart stick can vary depending on tip quality, so better darts may help. This one sits in the budget range, and that fits its role as a low-pressure starting point for learning the game. That brings us to the end of this look at the best dartboards. If you want more videos like this, take a look around the channel. Thanks for watching.